Hi everybody, STAREX here from Busyman. Today we got this STAREX 2011. It used to be a children's car for a kindergarten. The car is still in a very good condition. Very clean. The first door, very clean, no rust at all. Other door here, slide door, also in a very good condition, no problems at all. Go to the other side. The door is also in a very good condition. Just this door as well. Perfect. Alright, here we go. We're inside the car right now. Gonna start the engine. Alright. Lights are on as you can see. Let's start it now. Alright, it started very smoothly and easily. Okay, everything looks good. Lights are gone as you can see. Let's try to accelerate now. Check the RPMs and listen to the engine sound, please. It goes up very smoothly, very fast. One more time. Perfect. Let's check it out from here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yep. Brakes are also in a very good condition here. Let's check out the audio.
정말 잘하셨네요. 육군 22사단 강유건 병장의 병영생활 잘 들었습니다.
Alright, so the radio works just fine. And the sound is also very clear. The speakers, everything looks good. Let's try the AC here. Switch on the fan. We're on cold. AC is on. Give it here. There's the wind. Wind here. It's coming out. Very cold and strong wind. Perfect condition. Also hot air is coming very well. Perfect. AC works just fine. Let's check out the windows here. So this one too. Alright, so windows are working just fine. Let me show you the seats here, the back. All the seats are very clean. They're in very good condition. Those are the lights that were in the car. So the front seat also in a very good condition here. Show you the screen when you get on reverse. We have a camera. Alright, that should be all.
Esta es USADOS, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. busyman.kr. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
The review here of this STAREX 2011. As you've seen, the car is in a very good condition. From inside, outside, the engine is also good. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es más 8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.